Morning. So today we are going to be vlogging my entire day going to school. This is a Tuesday and I normally wake up at like 4 a.m. to start preparing. Right now it's 5:46. I've had my bath though. So what I'm going to do is freshen up and then dress up, have breakfast and start going to school. You are going to like come with me throughout. Why do I sound cranky? I don't know. Guys, I'm ready for school. This is my outfit and this is how I'm going to be carrying my hair until I retouch my hair. Wearing this shade, yeah, and you need to help me pick an earring. So, I just love pink so much that I easily grab pink, but I think I should just switch things up. This I want this one already, but this is I'm running late. See you upstairs in the kitchen when I'm having breakfast. So I just got down from the bus and I'm going to the train station. Oh my god. I hope I make it in class on time. Today's class is 9 a.m. We are starting by 9. I need to quickly get my ticket. My voice is kind of crusty. And so now I have to wait for my train. Okay, it's going to be here in like 10 minutes. So I have to use the lift ASAP. You guys, I am so cute. And I know. You know. Thank you guys for the compliment. I just know. I know I'm cute. So, like I said, my train is going to be here in a few minutes. So I have to wait. What is this? What is this? Anyways, something crazy just happened. Someone was just acting funny and I had to stay back because the African the train is going. Oh my god. Oh my god. That can be so noisy. But it's kind of like cute and scary at the same time. Oh, like as I was saying, something crazy happened. Somebody was just acting funny and I was like, I have to stay back so I can figure out what's really going on. But anyways, we are here and we have to wait. You guys, can you see my new nose ring? It's tinier compared to the others. I really like it. I think the tinier the better. Okay, we made it at exactly 9 a.m. I'm in school right now, so it's just so crazy, right? We made it to class. Oh, okay. Hi, hi. You good? I'm okay. Yeah. Did you make it the travel? Yeah, I came here late for Sunday. Yeah, it wasn't Sunday. Came here on a Monday, like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, you came the next day. Shit, what were you doing? Yeah, having fun. That was really good. Yeah. So some friends they invited me over. We had a function. We had a good one. Ooh, that's so cool. So later we came with some guys. They were going and just. They dropped you. I was going and went bus. Yeah, when you come with no transport. Transport was okay. water when it's so scary. Oh my god. You guys, I came out for break because this is break time, bitches. So we went on a break and I only did my break time to get my steps, okay? Because we have to need to literally. So usually I'm calm. I'm trying to pull myself together. Very, very mindful, very classic. But deep down, oh, what's the thing? Like my hand is freezing cold. Freezing cold.
You had more than an hour to do that. Tiffany, you had more than an hour to do that. Please submit.
So this one now says, after reviewing the concrete activities and sessions, avoid manipulation of the difficult and if it's not consider this as
It's not relevant to do it. The app itself is irrelevant.
what is that?
The app itself is irrelevant. They can't.
You see this one? See this one? What hours?
Gosh,
Yeah.
what happened?
This one is the
Only this one is not us.
yes.
Look at what the wind is doing to me. It's kind of fun though. Anyway, so as I was just coming out from the subway, then there is this guy that is doing his daily hustle and he was playing music and all of that. He was using guitar or something. And as I just passed, I had to end the video because hey, I'm okay. Yeah.
Not gonna rub your food.
No.
So all your hair.
Yeah. No, real.
That's your natural hair.
Yeah. For real. Thank you.
That's expensive.
I know, right? Right? Thank you.
Rap bitches, they gotta check in with the queen. I'm the alpha, the omega, everything in between. Ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job. Queen is the name, my fire yellow did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane.
One thing I love about this city is because it's very lively, music, vibe. People are cheerful while moving through their day and everything. So anyways, I'm looking for Apple Store. What am I doing? Where am I going? Apple Store, where are you? How did I get there? I think I want to go and find out how much. Jesus, you guys, the way the dove here used to fly around is insane. Like it would just be flying towards you. Anyways, look at this one. So I'm trying to find out how much iPhone 17 costs. So, like as I was saying, I want to go and find out how much I'm selling some Apple products. My car is just going insane today. So, starting from the iPhone 17 to a headset to a charger and a power bar. Let's go find them. One thing about Apple is that it's always going to display. You guys, I love to shop and I also love to window shop. Okay, we are finally here. Are you guys saying people don't have money? People are always here. Know your value. Oh, gosh. I wish I'm working here. What am I looking for? I already got this. I got it the last time. No, I think it's an iPad Air, one of these. Okay. Now this is what I came for. This one. What again? their charger. This used to be so cool. Someone needs to attend to me.
Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby.
Oh, I love it.
I got that summertime sadness. Summertime sadness. That summertime sadness.
So you're saying no 15 Pro Max
Yeah, we don't sell any.
and no 16 Pro Max?
Yeah, only 17 Pro Max in stock.
Okay. Can you guys hear that beautiful voice? So pretty.
I heard you good with them soft lips.
My song down.
The 69 is a song, right? Is that what's up to working? Good. White wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah.
Okay.
Only thing we ain't on is
Radio. Oh.
say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay.
Good music.
Under the night sky, where stars softly gleam, close the memories of today like a gentle dream. Tomorrow will bring